Hey guys, welcome back here. This is Noctum Day doing episode 3 of The Walking Dead Telltale Games. I want to apologize. I had an issue with my last video where as I was getting ready to save the video capture here of my beautiful sexy face, it crashed and I lost all of it. So that's why I said there was video in the last episode, but there was not. Hopefully here we're going to get this one working a little bit better and you'll see me here. So we're going to get things going here again. I'm going to try to cut the episodes a little bit shorter here just to make things more reasonable. 40 minutes for the last one was a long time. So we're going to get right back into it here. And as you can see, I'm still trapped with this lovely guy. He's my buddy here and my best friend. And I'm going to call him Jerry. But somehow I need to get in here.
I'm done trying to punch out window.
And I just don't know how. So, Jerry, you're a dick. We're going to go back over here, and this might take me a little while. If it does, I'm going to keep recording the episode here and just kind of cut things a little bit short. In the editing process, make things, work a little better that way. But we're going to figure this out and figure out how the hell I'm supposed to do this. There's that ugly mug. We're going to sneak back over here. You don't see nothing. I don't taste good anyway. Well, there's got to be something around here. How do I do? How? I don't understand. What do you want from me? How am I supposed to do this? Go back to the truck again.
They really want to get into that room.
Hi, Jerry. You're looking good there. Nice and relaxed. So let me...
How are you going to kill that one by the car without attracting the others?
Their groaning attracts the others.
Wait, what? Oh, now I can try the door. Oh, fuck. Of course the door is locked. Are there keys anywhere? Try it again. Shit.
He's not going anywhere.
How? How do I do this? It's really quite frustrating because I don't see any way past
There's
this.
a truck over there. Maybe we can find you a weapon.
We should keep looking around for weapons.
I found a weapon, but I don't know. Wait, what?
Good luck smothering them to death.
That's not really what I have in mind.
I have something in mind. Yes, I do. Of course I do. I know exactly what I'm doing, and all of this has just been for building suspense. So, hi, Jerry. You're looking good. Keep it up, buddy. So, maybe...
What are you gonna do with that?
I don't really know. Do you have any tricks for getting into cars?
Not without tools, making a bunch of noise, and none with pillows. What are you gonna do with that?
I don't really know. Do you have any tricks for getting into cars?
Not without tools, making a bunch of noise, and none with pillows.
Get out your gun.
But the noise.
Just follow my lead. Stay right behind me.
That was sick!
We're gonna figure out a way to do this.
It's a sparky thing.
Spark plug. You should hold on to that. come in handy. That was awesome! Wait. Let me see the spark plug. The porcelain inside these things turns car windows to tissue paper.
You didn't hear nothing. You didn't hear nothing.
That could scramble a brain pretty good.
That's exactly what I was thinking.
Okay, now we go back over this way. I got this now. I got this. We can done squish them all good now. Can I get this guy? Yeah, you enjoy your liver there. Oh, shit. Ooh. Yeah. I am dead. And lunch. I am both dead and lunch. I am lunch. Yeah. It's gross. I gotta be faster. Gotta be faster. Gotta be faster. Knife him in the brain. Knife him in the brain. Knife him in the brain. Or screwdriver them in the brain. Ha! Now who's lunch?
I'll wait for him to get closer.
Don't go for the gut, you idiot.
Dude, where'd your weapon go?
Into that ice pick-sized hole.
Holy shit. It's cool. Now we've got this.
Are you two done?
Two more.
That should help.
Why don't you guys lag behind just in case this goes to hell?
Okay, we'll be right behind you.
No, I just said lag behind, not right behind. Okay. Let's go beat some zombie brains.
Rad.
Hello in there. We're here to help.
Please just go away.
Let's go, guys.
In a minute. If you open up, we can take you somewhere safer. We've got a group in town.
No.
She's in trouble.
No.
Miss, we're coming in.
Stop, just stop. I'm coming out.
You're hurt.
Oh, God.
I said stay away.
We need to get you help.
It's too late for that.
Guys, she's been bitten.
What?
I told you, I said go away! I'm bit! But you wouldn't just leave.
Let's calm down. You could be fine.
I won't be fine. My boyfriend was bitten. You get sick and you die, and you come back and you kill anything you can find.
You have a boyfriend?
Glenn?
I don't want that. It's not Christmas. Just leave me. Please go.
Okay, we'll leave. Just try to take care of yourself for whatever time you have.
I like how Glenn's just, oh, you have a boyfriend?
So,
Can I borrow it?
what do you mean borrow?
Give it to me. I can just, end this, and then there's no problem.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Please, I don't want to be one of them. They're satanic.
Give it to her.
What? You can't be serious.
Do it.
No!
Then shoot her.
Huh?
I've seen what hell is like, and it's coming back as one of those things.
Shoot her. Help her out here.
You're insane! Just take this thing.
Thank you so much. I know how terrible this must be.
We can't watch this. Let's go.
We can't go yet.
What? Why not?
Because somebody needs to pick up the gun. Can't leave it. You two go on.
Okay.
So sad and scary.
I'm here with you.
You're a good man.
Ugh. Oh, the squishing and the splat and the... Ugh. That's so gross. Oh, we got a taxi. Oh no, it's a pizza truck. Or car. Maybe there's pizza. Ugh. Why are the gory sound effects so realistic? Just... Ugh.
Everyone all right?
Yeah, we had some close calls, but Glenn is fine and, well, yeah, we're okay.
I've got a few cans of gas for your pickup in the trunk of my car.
Good to hear it.
And things back here?
Quiet. Our friend is still in and out over there. He won't survive any more stress.
The next order of business is getting those pills out of the pharmacy.
Ugh.
We just need to get back to Fort Lauderdale.
We'll do our
Okay.
damnedest.
To the pharmacy. Pills we must. Maybe now that I have the axe, I can hack it open. Just screw the keys. I can. That was very realistic.
That was worth a shot. Keys it is, I guess.
Damn it! Where the hell are they? Keys, keys, keys.
Luckily, there's nothing I need in here. I'm gonna keep looking around.
Okay.
Son of a blubberfner. Where are these damn keys? Still looking for the keys. Got to find the keys. Got to find the keys.
Try to get some rest, hon.
How can I with those things out there?
Keys, 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 keys. Must find the keys. Where are these damn keys? Okay, if I spend the rest of this episode looking for these keys, I'm going to flip. Where are they? Come on, Daddy. What'd you do with the keys?
It's locked. We need to track down the keys if we're gonna help Larry.
I'm trying. Why can't I just hack it open? That should be a thing. God damn it.
The pills are in there.
No. Really? Jeez. Okay, I really hate these keys now. Like, apparently they're just invisible.
Central High-Tech State. Paper's a week old. Feels like years.
Where are the keys?
No, I'm sorry to hear your loved one was eaten by the living dead guards.
You're funny. You should be looking for keys, not cracking stupid jokes.
I don't remember them very well.
Where are these stupid keys? These are the world's most well-hidden keys.
It's all melted now.
Here, buddy, have a
It's
nice...
not much, but here. For the boy.
Oh, thanks, Lee. He appreciates it.
That's sweetly.
Where are these invisible keys?
How's he doing?
I'm not sure I got your name.
It's Lee.
Lily. My dad's Larry. I was just doing what I had to earlier.
Everyone was.
Now his heart's acting up again.
Where
Not violence
are
before with my
these
dad. That didn't help.
keys?
I'm gonna get back to him.
Sounds good.
Where? How? I don't understand. Okay, we're gonna go back in here again, I guess. This is the world's most impossible to find keys. Or I'm an idiot. There we go, let's put that in the comments below. Are these keys impossible to find, or am I an idiot? Well, we'll make that the discussion for today. Because I'm starting to feel like an idiot. Like, they just... invisible?
That's the door to the pharmacy. We should be able to find pills for Larry in there.
No duh.
How's your finger?
It's okay. Thanks for fixing it.
I'm gonna keep looking around.
Okay.
Where? I don't know where they are. I don't know. This is so annoying. You have the keys, Glenn? Or are you being a dick?
You know.
What's your next move?
I don't know. I mean, you guys seem okay.
What about your family?
Yeah,
Come on.
Forget it, man. That's your business.
I hate feeling like I can't do anything.
I know the feeling, man.
Help me find the keys.
Try to get some rest.
Yeah, right.
Okay, where the hell are these keys?
Heard or seen anything?
Nothing, luckily. Wanna step outside, have a look around?
I'm not suicidal yet.
No, the gate out there is closed. We can hang out in front of the store and be fine.
Oh, Sure, let's go have a look around.
Cool.
If the keys are out here, I'm gonna be really,
Bring 'em back and play with
really,
any unnecessary
really
noises.
pissed off.
Agreed.
Like if the keys are out there.
Jesus.
Ooh.
They just
Eat. As far as I can tell, that's all they care about.
and if one gets you,
They eat you. And whatever's left comes back as one of them.
how the fuck?
I think it might be more than a couple days before all this gets sorted out.
Yeah, I think so too. We better keep it down out of here. I can't reach that brick. Think you can do anything with this?
You know what I could do?
What's that?
It's universal. I could program it to work with those TVs across the street. Let's just hope the power's still on.
You can just do that?
Well, I memorized all the codes when I was in AV. Let's try.
Well fucking done, Doug. All that dork nonsense might save a life.
Who's to say it already hasn't? That got a few of them to take notice.
But not enough. I can't reach that brick. Did you guys try to get in there and get weapons?
I did, but it was too risky. And then a bunch of guys showed up and they tried.
And what happened?
I think they're most of who you see wandering around out there.
It's a combination lock. Look at the one trapped over there.
Better him than us, huh?
Oh shit.
Shit.
Do you know that guy?
Kind of. He has a familiar face.
Oh, you're from around here, huh? Could be anybody, you know? They start rotting and get all chewed up and...
Shut up, Doc. Look at the uniform, though. He could have worked at the drugstore and died with keys in his pocket.
It would take a lot of effort to make it safe enough to go out there and see if he has the keys. If we could
somehow prove that he worked here, I think it'd be worth it.
I'll see what I can find. Man, that's a hasty fortification job over there.
Yeah, it didn't work.
That guy over there has the keys.
How can you be sure?
I found this in the office. That boy in the photo worked here. The keys being on him is as good a bet as we can make.
Yeah,
Of course they are.
figure out how to get out there and get them. You wouldn't need long, right?
Nah, just a few seconds.
Maybe there's a way to distract them and buy you some time.
I can't reach that brick. We should think about searching that guy across the street.
Maybe he has them, but who knows if he actually worked here.
Those TVs are on, and I'm sure they're making a lot of noise behind that glass. Open sesame.
That won't work.
I was kidding.
It's universal, but not that universal.
I know, Doc. Doug, you want to get this door open?
About that.
You've got the combo, right?
No.
Did anyone ever have it?
Look, man, there were a lot of those things trying to get in here.
And now we can't get back out onto the street.
We're also party to some egregious fire code violations.
Is there a stick or something I can use?
Awesome. Now to distract those things. Carefully.
I can't reach that brick. Now's the time.
Be careful.
Keep an eye out, will you?
Hi, bro.
Hey, bud. I don't know what happened to Mom and Dad, but I know if you were there, you would have died for them. So, yeah. I'm gonna assume that's what happened.
Did you find them yet?
Give me a second. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I wasn't here. But
So sad.
to take care of them through all of it. That helped.
Ooh. So gross.
There we go.
Holy crap! Run!
Man, that was close. But we did it. It's all that matters. I've got the keys.
Great. God, you're amazing. Let's get in there.
Alright guys, I've hit 30 minutes now on this one, so I'm going to go ahead and cut this episode here. It took way longer than I meant to find those damn keys, but we've got them now, so we can finally move forward with the next episode, the next part of the story here. I want to thank you guys again for watching. I'm going to make sure then that my video doesn't quit on me this time, and that you can actually see my reactions to all the goo and the squish. Gives me chills. Alright, but thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye. Shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. What am I doing? What am I doing?